So I want you to imagine getting paid $17 up to $60 per 1 hour just by sending emails to different people. And you can use your mobile phone, you can use your laptop, you can use any device that you have to start making this kind of money. The good thing about this money making method is that you can work from comfort of your home. You can be in Africa and still getting paid. You can be in America. You can be in Europe and still getting paid. So what I want you to do right now, you have to listen to me very careful and see how are you going to get paid just by sending emails to different people around the world. So I know you may be asking yourself, like, how is this even possible to get paid just by sending emails? Because we usually send emails too many times, but we really never got paid. And this method that I am going to share with you right now, you are going to get paid every time that you send emails from these companies. You know, there are a lot of companies out there which are very trustful and they are well-known companies. And the good thing about these companies, they're now looking out for a person who is willing to get paid just by sending emails to different customers of these companies. And today we have 6 companies. All these companies, they're going to pay you very well. So let's dive in and see all these companies. Alright, so our very first website is called Squarespace, and this website is very trusted and well known. This website is now looking for customer support associate, and this website is actually dealing with website creation and template designs and all the stuff. So because of too many customers on the platform, this platform is now looking for someone who is going to send emails to the customers and get paid. And the good thing about this website is going to pay you $17 up to $60 every time that you send emails to these customers per 1 hour. So you can see this amount is reasonable, and what you're going to do on this platform is very easy. You just have to go to this platform, which is called squarespace.com, and you have to scroll down here and click this place which is written as career. Then you can see customer support associate. Then you have to go and apply on this job. You can get paid $60, $50. It just depends how many emails that you're going to send to different customers on this website. And what you're going to do on this platform is very simple and very easy. So every time that you receive emails from different customers, you have to reply back. You have to explain what is going on in the company, and just by doing that you get paid. And the very good thing about this is that every time that you receive these emails and you feel like you don't know how to reply to these customers, you can always go ahead and use ChatGPT. It's going to help you to reply different emails concerning with a particular company that has hired you. So these are the company's requirements. They need you to work on weekend. You need to be active on weekend, and they need you to meet customers satisfaction, but also they need you to be active like 24 hours. So every time that you receive emails from these customers, you'll be able to reply on time. Alright, so our next platform is called Shopify, and this is a well-known platform. I'm pretty sure that a lot of people know about this website. So this website is helping business to build and manage online stores. So you're gonna get paid on this platform $55 up to $65 per 1 hour just by sending emails to different customers. These are the tasks that you will be performing on this platform. Alright, so all you have to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Shopify. Then you have to scroll down and click this place which is written as career. After clicking this place, you have to apply to this job, and after applying this job, you'll be able to answer different questions about billing and subscriptions. A lot of customers, they need to understand about billing, and they may be asking questions about how much it's going to cost for subscriptions and all that. Also on this platform, you can help customers to solve payment and checkout issues. So the payment that you're going to receive on this platform a month is going to be more than $3,000 up to $5,000. So I think among the most trusted platform, I really like to recommend you have to go ahead and apply to this job on Shopify, because this is a very trusted and it's a well-known platform. So I really recommend you have to go ahead and apply to this platform. These are the company's requirements. You just need to be really good at communication, but also you just need to meet customers' satisfaction, and you just need internet connection like all the time. So you can work from comfort of your home and make a decent amount of money from Shopify. So you have to go ahead and try this out. Our next company that is going to pay you just by sending emails is called Autodesk. This is a platform that manages orders from different companies like Alibaba, Amazon, Ads, and Shopify. So your task on this company is going to be very simple, and this is what you'll be doing on this company. These are the very few tasks that you're going to be performing on this platform. You're going to send emails to customers explaining about bills, like how much each service costs on the platform. Just by explaining to customers, just by sending emails, just by updating different articles on this platform, you're going to get paid $55 up to $65 per 1 hour. So all you want to do right now, you have to go ahead on this platform, which is called Autodesk.com. Then you have to scroll down here and you have to click careers. Then you have to apply for customer support associate, and I'm pretty sure that your application will be accepted in no time. So you really have to go ahead and see how much you're really going to make on the platform, and if you're willing to work on this platform for the rest of this year. So you really have to go ahead, and this company is now hiring. You really have to hurry up before the deadline. Our next platform is called Inksup, and this platform is going to pay you reasonable amount of money. It's going to pay you $5,000 up to $9,000 a month, and the good thing about this platform is available all over the world. So all you want to do right now, you have to go to inksup.com, then you have to scroll down there, click this place which is written as career, then you have to apply for customer care support. You just have to wait for the confirmation from this company. So these are going to be your tasks on the platform, which are very simple. You're going to be reporting bugs, and if customers are facing any problem, like technical problem on the platform, you have to report these problems to developers of this website on the platform. This is what you will be doing on the platform. You just have to meet customers' satisfaction, but also you just need to be like really good at communication. Every time that you communicate with these customers, they have to feel good talking to you. So this is like the easiest way you can do to make money on the platform. All you want to do right now, you have to go inksup.com and apply to this job. So our next platform is called Quickmail, and on this platform you'll be paid $2,500 up to $4,000 a month, and you will be answering different questions from customers, but also you will be reporting if there is any technical issue you will have to address to developers. Then you have to notify customers what is really going on with the platform. So just by doing that, you get paid, and you just need to be active like all the time. But also the other thing that you need to be is you have to be really good at communication skills. So these are the necessary things that you need to have after applying to this job. So let's move to the next one. Our last platform is called Stable, and this platform is going to pay you $3,500 a month. And the very good thing about this platform, the tasks that you will be seeing on this platform, they're very easy. So you will be sending emails for customers to help customers sign up for address and fix problems. If customers can access to their mailbox, you also have to assist them with registrations, because this platform is helping business to get and manage addresses for online shops, especially if they don't have an office. So this platform is there to manage address for online shops. So this is like the very easy task that you may want to go ahead and try on this website, because this website is available, but too bad this website is available only in US. So you really have to go ahead and apply to this job and see how much you're gonna make just by sending emails to customers. These are the 6 companies that are now hiring, and I really hope that you're going to choose at least 2 or 1 among these companies, and you are going to try out to see how much you're really gonna make. And what I can say right now, you really need to hurry up, because all these jobs that I've mentioned, they're not permanent, they are temporary, because these companies are currently looking for a person who can be able to send emails to their customers, and they have deadlines as well. So I did encourage, if you see this video, once you watch this video, you really have to go ahead and try all these websites, all these companies, and see which company is going to accept you, and you can start making money just by doing that. So you have to tell me which website you're really excited about, but also you have to tell me which country you're coming from, so I can be able to find the good side hustle, the good online money making method that will be good for you. So thanks so much for watching this video. My name is Hans David, and I really hope to see you next time. Thank you so much.